Good evening, all. Today is IICS IDMC batch 8. Maybe I can say first session. We have completed 2 demos till now. So today is the first session, I can say. Okay. Yeah. So before starting the session, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. I am sending you in the group chat. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel, you can see many videos available like Informatica PowerCenter, IDMC, IICS, Power BI, Tableau, Snowflake, AWS, Azure, Databricks, cybersecurity, Python, etc., Power BI, etc. So if you like my videos, please comment on them and like them. And also we have our own website, so that is rajinformatica.com. So please keep browsing my website for more updates about the new courses, about the different interview questions available in my website. Here you can see different materials available in the website. You can see, okay, and different courses you can see here. So we have different courses available. Okay. Yeah. So directly I'll jump into the session without wasting any time. So I already introduced myself. So my name is Natraj. People call me Raj. So I'm from Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh. So I am having around 13 to 14 years experience into different Informatica tools like Informatica PowerCenter, IDMC, IICS, Informatica MDM, CDM, Informatica IDQ, CDQ, Informatica ILM, Informatica BDM, etc. So I worked in HCL Bangalore, Capgemini Bangalore, Step2 Technologies Hyderabad, Dell Bangalore, and working in HTC Bangalore. Okay. So let me clear this annotation. So please don't annote. Okay. So I hope everyone are able to hear me. So let's start the session. So before starting the session, so today also special offer going on. So please wait till the end of the session. Please wait till end of the session to get the offer. Okay, and also please provide your WhatsApp numbers if you did not provide it in the Zoom chat. Please provide your WhatsApp number so that we will add you to the WhatsApp group. Okay. Everyone, are you able to hear me, guys? Everyone, are you able to hear me? Could you please reply in the Zoom chat? Yeah. So please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. So in the last session, so I'm directly going into the session. So if you give your WhatsApp numbers, so we will add you to the project group in Informatica WhatsApp group. So in that WhatsApp group, you will see many Informatica interview questions available. You can see the discussions about Informatica. You can see the job openings about Informatica in that WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes, guys. Yeah. So now let's start the session. So in the previous session, we have seen what is Informatica Cloud, what is Informatica PowerCenter. We have seen CDI, CI. There are 2 types in IDMC. And in the last session, we have seen how to create a trial account. So is everyone create a trial account and have installed Oracle and IICS? Is everyone create a trial account and have installed everyone, guys, please reply. Okay, so if you don't install, so please install, go through my last video. So that video is uploaded, I uploaded in YouTube. So if you see the last video, okay, I have uploaded in YouTube. I'll show you. I'm sending you that link also to you if you want. Yeah, this is the one. I'm sending you the link to you here. Let me see, this is the one. Yes. So this is the one. Correct. 30 days. Okay. So the trial account will expire in 30 days. What to do after 30 days, I will cover in the session. You can create another one. So I'm sending you the YouTube link of the previous session. So please go through this. Okay. So this is the YouTube link of the previous session. I sent you in the Zoom chat. So please go through that. So in the last session, we have seen how to create the trial account. Okay. How to install secure agent and how to configure the secure agent and how to create the source and target schema in Oracle. So that is what we have seen. Okay. So now directly jump into session. Okay. Let me open Informatica IICS-IDMC. So how to open Informatica IICS-IDMC? So that I am showing you now. Just a second. Let me log out and close and then I'll open. Yeah. Okay, now, so how to open Informatica IICS-IDMC in real time? In real time, they will give a URL like this. So whatever the URL you got it here, right? They will give one URL like this in real time. Your team lead will give. And also they will give the username password. You can change the password later. Okay. And you can daily you need to log in with that URL, with that email ID password. Are you clear, guys? Everyone, are you clear? I need the replies, please, in the Zoom chat. Make the session as interactive. Please reply when I ask any question. Please reply when I ask any question. Yes, please. Okay. So now how to open? So open your Gmail, which we already created the trial account. In here, so there is a login URL. Copy this. Always use Informatica Cloud in incognito mode. So incognito mode means in the Google Chrome, go here, 3 dots, incognito window, and paste it here. So that it will ask the user ID password. Now the user ID, so in the same Gmail, whatever the Gmail ID. Okay, this is the user ID. Yes, guys. So everyone are able to see the screen? So why you wanted to do it in incognito mode means, so in the normal browser, there will be cache, okay? So there will be many cache files. It will slow down your Informatica Cloud, okay? So in the browser, in the normal Chrome, if you open, it will open, but there will be cache files, it will slow down. But in incognito mode, so there will be no cache files. That is why it will be faster, okay? So paste your Gmail ID here, username, and the password, whatever the password you entered at the time, while you are creating the Zoom account, you enter it. So once you enter, what you need to check first? First, so to work on CDI, we need 3 services. What are those? Administrator, then administrator we need, data integration, and the monitor. These 3 we need. Okay, so we are learning Informatica Cloud, that is IICS-IDMC, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, that is the old name. New name is Informatica Data Management Cloud. Okay, in that we are learning 2 things, CDI and CI, Cloud Data Integration, Cloud Application Integration. We are learning 2 things here. Now first we are starting with CDI. If you learn CDI, then only we can learn CI. Without learning Cloud Data Integration, you cannot learn Cloud Application Integration. So first we need to learn Cloud Data Integration. To learn Cloud Data Integration, we need 3 services. What are those? Administrator, right click, open link in new tab. Data integration, right click, open link in new tab. Monitor, right click, open link in new tab. Differentiate between CDI and CI. The difference between CDI and CI is CDI is it's data integration, application integration. You will not understand if I tell now, but application integration is the extension of CDI. Application integration is an advanced version of CDI. Basic version is CDI, advanced version is CI. Later, when I tell about CI, I will tell the differences. If I tell now, you will not understand. Okay. So focus on the session and listen carefully. First thing we need to, once you log into CDI, once you log into Informatica Cloud, open, go to administrator, check all your Informatica services, all your IDMC services running or not. How to check? Go to Informatica administrator, runtime environments, go to runtime environments. Then here if you see, this is the computer name. In the computer name, click on the computer name, click on your computer name. Here it will show the services. Actually, if you see here, you no need to confuse here. Each service has come 2 times. Common integration components 2 times, ODI collector 1 time, mass ingestion 2 times, data integration server 2 times, process server 1 time. So which is the latest version? See, there are 2 common integration components. In this, which is the latest version? 24.0.1. So this was the old one. It will disappear after some days or let it be. But the latest service should be up and running. If you see common integration components 24.01 up and running. ODI collector only 1. In the mass ingestion, so which is on 26.1 is up and running. Data integration server, there are 2. 73.1, 73.0, 72.0. 73.0 is running. Process server. Now, if you want to work with CDI, we need only 2 services. What are those? Data integration server and common integration components. If you want to work with CI, we need one more called process server. Okay. So as of now, we are running only CDI. So these 2 are enough. Are you clear about the services? Are you clear about the services, please? Everyone? Understanding? Clear about it? So if you want to learn CDI, we need only 2 services. What are those? Common integration components, data integration server. If you want to work with process server, we need 3. What are those? Common integration components, data integration server, process server. So as of now, we require only 2. Those are up and running. So we are ready to work. Are you clear, guys? Everyone. Now we are ready to work. Are you clear? Quickly, guys. So meanwhile, please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Meanwhile, please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. We will add you to the project WhatsApp group. So in that you can discuss about the jobs, you can discuss about the doubts, you can discuss about many things in that WhatsApp group, please. So please provide your phone numbers if you did not provide. Clear about it? Yeah. So please provide if you did not provide. Okay. Yes, guys. So now let's see the requirement. So I will tell the training about the requirements. In real time, how you will get the requirement? They will send a mapping document. In real time, they will send a mapping document. Okay. So same way, I will also give the mapping document to you and I will explain about the mapping document. Okay. And I will explain about the mapping document. Okay. So let's open a mapping document. Let's open a scenario. Okay. So let me open the scenario. Yeah. So if you see here, if common integration server is error, it will not work. Maybe it will not work. Okay. So you have to restart your system. If you restart your system and wait for some time, it will open it up. It will up and running. Okay. So now this is our requirement. So today we will do a simple mapping in Informatica IICS-IDMC. The requirement is The requirement is, yes, please. Everyone, guys, are you able to hear me? Everyone, are you able to hear me? Please reply. Yes. Okay. So now, what is the requirement? I have a source schema. This is source details. In real time also, they will give kind of these details. Okay. In real time, they will give. So I am facing an issue in login Oracle SQL Developer. So please WhatsApp us. So these are our WhatsApp numbers. So please WhatsApp us. I'll send you the WhatsApp numbers. So please WhatsApp us so that my team will help you. Yes, please. So this is our WhatsApp number. I'm sending you the WhatsApp number. This is our WhatsApp number. So please send your if you have any doubt, please WhatsApp to this number. Our team will help you. Okay. Yes, guys. Clear about it? Okay. Now, let's start. Okay, this is the requirement, guys. So the requirement is, yes, please. So if you are unable to see the screen, please restart your system. If you are unable to see the screen, please restart Zoom. So I hope everyone. So now if you see, this is source, this is target. So the source schema name is OTSRC1. It is in Oracle. And source table name is locations. And these are the columns. And this is the target schema name, target table name, and locations, and the columns. Yes, please. So now, so in the locations table, we have 23 records. We need to extract 23 records from locations table and load it to target table. Meanwhile, the rule is if location is greater than 5 and location is less than 10, then only we need to log in. Then only we need to send those. Okay. Did you understand the requirement, please? We need to extract 23 records and load it to target table. But while loading, we need to load only 5 records. The filter condition is location is greater than 5 and location is less than 10. Are you clear about the requirement? Everyone, can we do that? Can we do this? Okay. So now open Oracle first. So open Oracle SQL Developer first. So what they are saying in the requirement document, the schema name is OTSRC1. So open SQL Developer. Open SQL Developer. So this is SQL Developer. Yes, please. Open SQL Developer. In the SQL Developer, connect to source schema. What is source schema? OTSRC1. So connect to source schema. And check whether any tables are there. What is the table name? Locations. You check whether any tables are present or not. There are no tables present. So I will give these tables. So in the today's, I will send this material to you. Today's material session 1. What you need to do only today, open today's material. In that, there is one folder called Oracle Tables and Data. Open this. Open the first notepad, schema DDL. Open the first notepad, schema underscore DDL. Open this. So it's opening 1 minute. Open this. So these are the tables in this notepad. We have all the tables which we will use in the future sessions. So copy this. I will give many tables apart from this. Basic this. Copy this. What you need to do? Copy this. Sorry, close this. Not required. 1 second, guys. Let me close this. Let me close this, please. It is not required. Just hold on. So what you do, just open this notepad, copy this and paste it to source schema and select all, execute this. Select all and execute. See, these many tables are created. You see here, regions, countries, locations, warehouses, employees. Now, if you see the tables here, disconnect the schema and connect. Disconnect and connect. You see many tables are present. But these are empty tables. These are all empty tables. Now what to do? Open second notepad open second notepad. Yes, please. So guys, if you're unable to see my screen, so please leave your Zoom and join again. Leave your Zoom and join again. Open the second notepad. Here insert statements are there. In the first one, sorry, I'm just double clicking always. Let me open this in notepad. So open the second notepad, copy. I'll send you this. I will send you this. Okay. Copy this. Yes, please. I will send you this. I did not send anyone till now. I will send you this document today after the session. After the session, I will send you. Copy this, insert statements, and again paste it in OTSRCD1. So whatever you already there, remove them, and paste it here again. Control A, select all, and execute. Select all and execute. It will insert all the records in all the tables. It will insert all the records. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? So did you understand? So to get the source tables, this is the procedure in our training. To get the source tables, this is the procedure in our training. Clear about it? Guys, clear? Now if you see, remove this. Now, what is our source table name? What is the source table name? Locations. Now here give select star from locations. If you give, we have how many records? 23 records. We have 23 records. Okay. So now same way, we need to create a target table. Source table is present now. We need to create a target table in this location, TGT location dim. So how to create a target table? Go to Oracle SQL Developer. Open target schema, click on plus. Here write create table, target TGT dim, open close brackets. And here you take this from the Excel sheet, the columns. You take all these columns and paste it here. Yes, guys, give a comma. After that, give a comma. Yes, please. This is how you need to create a target table. Everyone understanding how to create a target table? So now create the target table. So TGT location dim is created. Now if you see, select star from TGT location dim, 0 records are there. There are 0 records. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, guys? So in source table, how many records we have? In source table we have, if you see the source table, we have 23 records, but in target table 0 records. Now we need to extract the data from source table and load it to target table based on the given condition, that is location is greater than 5 and location is less than 10. Now we need to do this by using Informatica IICS. Shall we do this? Everyone, guys, shall we do this? To do this, open IICS. We already opened. Go to data integration. If you see here, if you go to the data integration, it look like this. The window look like this. First thing is you need to create a project. The first step in IDMC today is go to data integration. First step is go to Informatica administrator. Go to Informatica administrator. Check the below services running or not. The below services running or not. Which are the below services? Which are the below services running or not? That is data integration service, data integration service, and data integration service and common integration components. These should up and running common integration components. Number 2, go to data integration, go to Informatica data integration, go to data integration, okay, and create a project and folder, create a project and create a folder. Everyone, are you clear, please? First step, we need to do this. How to do? Go to Informatica Cloud. So here, if you go, open data integration, it will open this window. Click on go to explore. Go to explore. Here, if you see new project in the data integration services, data integration, go to explore, new project. In the new project, give any name. I am giving the project name is Raj Cloud Tech. The project name is PRJ underscore. The naming conventions will be like this. PRJ underscore Raj Cloud Tech. Yes, guys. PRJ underscore Raj Cloud Tech. Save. So now the project is created. Now enter into the project. Click on it. It will go into the project new folder. Here, the folder name is batch. You can give any name. I am giving a folder name called batch. Now go to inside it. So now whatever we create the mappings, it will go to where? It will go to project Raj Cloud Tech and batch folder. Are you clear? How to create a folder and how to create a project and folder? Did you understand? Did you understand? Now, the first step is, once we create the project and folder, now you need to bring the source and target tables to IICS. How to bring the source and target tables to IICS? You need to create source and target connections. Source and target connection in IDMC or IICS. How to create source and target connections in IDMC or IICS? How to create source and target connections in IDMC or IICS? Everyone, are you clear, guys? Understanding? Clear about it? How to create? You need to go to administrator again. Again, you go to Informatica administrator again. So you need to switch the windows. You need to switch the windows. Yes, guys. So project folder, we need to create an Informatica data integration. You will understand. It will be later, maybe in the starting, it will be new for you. Once you're doing, you will be getting addicted. So now go to here in Informatica Cloud, again, go to administrator. In the left side window, in the left side, you can see connections. Click on connections. Click on connections. If you see here, there are no connections available. Now, first we need to create source connection. How to create a source connection? How to create source connection? Here, click on new connection. Go to Informatica Administrator, Connections, New Connection. When you click on New Connection, it will ask some details now. It will ask now some details. Connection name. So you need to give a connection name. You can give any name. So, but usually the source connection name, what we need to give? Source connection name. So what will be the source connection name? Usually source connection name is CONN underscore your source schema name. Source connection name will be CONN underscore your source schema name. Understanding everyone? What is your source schema name? OTSRC1. So this is your source schema name. So take this source schema name and put, you can give any name. This is a naming convention. CONN underscore OT underscore SRC underscore dev1, or in real time, because this is Oracle connection, this schema is in Oracle, you can give CONN underscore ORCL underscore, also you can give, but as of now, CONN. But the type, this schema is present in Oracle database. Whatever we are doing in Oracle database. So in the type, select Oracle. If your schema is in SQL Server, you can select SQL Server. If your schema is in Access, you can schema is in MySQL. If your schema in SAP, if your schema if your source is flat file, you can select these. But my schema is in where in Oracle database, select Oracle. When I select Oracle, it is asking many things here. Now, the main important thing is runtime environment. That is your secure agent. Your computer name is your runtime environment. So what is this runtime environment? What is the use of it? I will tell you in some time. So secure agent will plays the major role here. Okay. So in the runtime environment, you give the secure agent name, that is, it will show two things. One, it will show by default Informatica Cloud Secure Agent, and this is your what is this? Your computer name. Select your computer name and Oracle subtype authentication mode, let it be. We need username, password. Okay, the first one is connection name, just a connection name. Okay, the first one is here, it is by default Informatica Cloud Hosted Agent. That will give by Informatica itself. You don't need to worry. You can ignore it. Okay. But we require the second one, that is a secure agent, that is runtime environment. Now we need username of the schema, password of the schema, host, port, service name, and code page. Where we will get this? Where we will get these details? Go to Oracle source schema details. You need to give source schema details. Now go to Oracle, select your source schema, right click properties. When you click on properties, it will show you the username of the schema, password, host name. Yes, guys, if somebody is asking a question, if in real case, we are facing few sources from Oracle and from flat file of different source type, then what type you need to select? If you are having two sources, you need to create, suppose, two different source databases. For example, in real time, I have one source from Oracle, one source as a flat file. Then you need to create two connections. One connection for Oracle, one connection for flat file. Understood? If the sources are heterogeneous, means from different databases or from different types, you need to create that many connections. Suppose your all source tables are in Oracle only, in the same schema. Then create only one connection. For example, in real time, I have one table in one schema, another table in another schema. You need to create two connections. That means for one schema, one connection. Are you clear, guys? For one schema, one connection. For example, I have 10 tables. 10 tables present in same schema, same database. So you just create one connection, that's it. But I have one connection in Oracle, one connection in SQL Server, sorry, one table in Oracle, one table in SQL Server, one is file. Then how many connections we need to create? How many tables we need to create? Guys, I have one table in Oracle database, one table in SQL Server database, one is source. There are three sources I have. Three are different sources. One is Oracle table, one is SQL Server table, another is file. Now, how many source connections we need to create? Three source connections we need to create. Okay. So now what I am doing, I am creating the source connections. Username, copy this, go to your Oracle, give username, password, whatever the password you given, I given admin, I am giving admin here. Host is a host name, that is local host. In real time, it may change. It may be IP address. Then service name is service port is 1521 same. Then service name XC. So service name or XI is same. So service name XC. Code page I will tell later. Select UTF-8. I will tell what is code page later. Now test connection. Now test connection. So when you create the test connection is successful. Did you understand? Now save. Save. When you save it, a source connection is created. If you close this, a source connection is created. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Did you understand how to create the source connection? Did you understand how to create the source connection? Now, how to create the target connection? To create a target connection, new connection, click on new connection. Same connection name. Now same connection name. What is the connection name here? Target connection name, correct? We need target connection name. Target connection name is CONN underscore. Target schema name OT TGD dev 1. Okay, this is the target connection name. Sorry. Now here give connection name and same target connection. My target schema also in Oracle. Select Oracle. If your target schema is in another database, select that. Select it. Same select a runtime environment. Very important. I will tell you what is runtime environment in some time. So this is the one runtime environment or secure agent. Now username. To get the username, close this. Go to Oracle. Select your target schema. Right click. Properties. Username. Take this. Put it here. Password. Whatever the password you given, I given admin. Small admin I given. Then host. Local host. Host is local host. In real time, it may change. Service name also in real time, it may change. Port will be 1521 only. Code page UTF-8. Then test connection. Test connection. Then save. Test connection and save. Now source and target connection successful. And now source and target connections are created. Did you understand how to create source and target connections? Did you understand how to create source and target connection in IICS and IDMC? Now, once we're done, create a mapping. Now go to data integration. Now again, go to Informatica data integration. Now go to Informatica. Please watch the video. Please watch the video. You will understand. Okay, I cannot repeat again and again. I already repeated multiple times. So it is very simple. There is nothing. Is there any difficult, guys? Just click on new connection and give the details. Are you facing any difficulty, guys? Anyone? Is it easy or difficult? Is it easy or difficult, please? It's very easy, guys. If you know PowerCenter, IICS is dead easy. I'm saying they simplified Informatica PowerCenter to IICS. Okay. Now, once we create, so go to data integration, create the project and folder, go to Informatica administrator, create the source and target connections. Okay. So go to the Informatica administrator, go to Informatica administrator and create the source and target connection. We done. Yes, please. Now again, go to data integration and create a mapping. Create a mapping under the folder which we have created. Under the folder which we have created. How to do it? Now go to data integration. Explore. Go to the project. We will be here. Okay. So go to explore. Go to your project. Go to your batch. Go to your project. Go to your batch. Then click on new. Click on plus new. Here you will see tasks, data ingestion and replication, mappings, maplets, task flows, components. Now go to mappings. Go to mappings. Once you go to the mappings, here it is showing integration, cleansing, warehouse, industry solutions. What we need, just no need, not required all these things. Click on plus, new, mappings, create. Mappings, create. When you create, it will directly create a mapping. Did you understand, guys, how to create a mapping? It is very easy. You no need to drag the source. You no need to drag the target. Directly, it will create a mapping. Are you clear? So just go to new, go to mappings and create. That's it. It will automatically create. Now, in this window, you need to understand something. This is your organization name. Organization name is Raj Clotech. You can see your username here. You can see your username. Okay. This is help. If you want help, you can click on help. Okay. This is help center. Now, the left side window is the navigation window. And this is mapping canvas window. This is properties window. In the left side, transformation window. You see, this is source transformation, target transformation, access policy transformation, aggregator transformation, data masking transformation, expression transformation, filter transformation, hierarchy builder, hierarchy parser, Java. Okay. So guys, while I am doing, please don't do it. Please listen. If you get this error, Gauri has sent one error message. If you get this kind of error, please log out, go to here, log out and log in here. Log out and log in here, it will open. While you are creating a mapping, if you get this error, close the window completely, log in, it will show. As of now, please listen carefully. Don't do parallelly. Once the session is completed, please do it. As of now, don't do it parallelly with me. Are you clear, guys? Please watch the session carefully and understand it. If you do parallelly with me, you will miss out so many things. Okay. Now, so the left side window is navigation window. The downside window is properties window. And this is mapping canvas. And here we have many transformations, like we have expression transformation, filter, hierarchy parser builder, hierarchy parser, hierarchy builder, Java, joiner, lookup, maplet, normalizer, rank, router, sequence, sorter, SQL transformation, structure parser, transaction control, union, web services, velocity. We have these transformations available in IICS. We have these transformation available in IICS. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, guys? So now what we need to do first? If you see here, you need to understand this window first, please. Try to understand carefully. Now, if you see, when you create a mapping, automatically source and target has come. This is a tips window. And if you click on this, this is a organize window. If you see here, this is arrange all window. This is delete. This is cut. This is copy. This is paste. This is zoom in, zoom out. And this is undo, redo. This is parameters window, and that is variables. This is validation window. This is ELT query, and this is the options available here. So now what we need to do first? See, when you create a mapping, so you created a mapping now. You created a mapping. You can drag it like this. Now, if you see here, please observe carefully, guys. Please listen carefully. Here, if you see, this is your mapping canvas window. The mapping name is mapping 1. Now, there are 3 buttons here. At the down, this is properties window. There are many properties here. You see here, there are many properties. If you see, okay, I will drag up. You will see the target field. There are many properties. And also, if you see here, just hold on. There is minimize window, restore window, maximize window. See, please. Now, what I am doing, I am clicking on the empty space. Please try to understand carefully. I am clicking on the empty space. When I click the empty space, see, I am clicking, just hold on. I am clicking the empty space. When I click the empty space, the whole mapping is selected.
The whole mapping is selected. Now here it is showing name, location, description. If I select source, the source properties will show down. If I select target, target properties will show. If I select mapping, mapping properties will show. Understanding, guys, everyone? If I select source, source properties are down. Target, target properties are down. If I select mapping, mapping properties are down. You can minimize this, restore the properties window, and maximize the properties window. Let it be restored. First, we need to give the mapping name. First, what to do? We need to give the mapping name. What will be the mapping name? Select this. A blue border will come like this. Select in the empty space. The mapping name, you remove it. M underscore target table name. What is the target table name in the mapping document? What is the target table name? TGT underscore location dim. M underscore TGT location dim is the mapping name. Now if you see here, the mapping name will change. If you click on anywhere or save, click on save, your mapping name will change now. See? Is the mapping name is changed, guys? Is the mapping name is changed? Everyone, are you clear? Where that mapping is saved? Under Project Raj Cloud Tech, under Batch folder. Under Project Raj Cloud Tech, under Batch folder. Okay? Yes, guys? Understanding? Understand, guys? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, guys? How to rename the mapping? How to rename the mapping? Are you clear? Any doubts, please? Any doubts till now? So please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Okay. Now we can change the, see, if you don't change, not a problem. You can change source and target table names. You can change source and target table names if you want. Table names mean just names, that's it. Or to avoid the confusion, let it be source and target only. If you want, you can change the source name. So this is source transformation, target transformation. Now, once we create the mapping, so what to do? Once we create the mapping, configure source and target. What we need to do? Once we create the mapping, change the mapping name as per your requirement, then configure source and target. In PowerCenter, we will import source and target, but in IICS, we don't have import option. What we need to do now here is we need to configure source and target. How to configure source and target? Click on source. Now the source transformation name is source. If you want, you can rename this. With what? What is your source table name? Locations. Give that name only here. Give the name as locations. Is it changed? Is your source table name is changed locations? Your source transformation. This is source transformation, target transformation. Your source transformation name is changed. That is locations. Now, click on locations, click on source. In the properties window, general is the name. Click on source. Click on source. Now, here very important, you need to configure the source. Now, click on the connection. Whatever the connections we created here, in the administrator, we created 2 connections, correct? What are the 2 connections we created? Connection OT-SRC-Dev1, connection OT-TGT-Dev1. The same connections, are you able to see here, guys? The same connections, if you click on source, connections, you will see 2 connections. Select source connection. When you select source connection, it will ask source type. Source type, we have single object, multiple object, query. You can select any one. As of now, I have only one source table. Select single object. Then which table we need? Locations. So select, click on select object. Object means table name. Now, whatever the source tables we have in Oracle, contacts to warehouse, is it showing here, guys? Is it showing here? Contacts to warehouses, contacts, countries, customers, employees, inventories, all it is showing. Now, which one we need to select? As per my requirement, I need to select locations. And click on OK. Understanding, everyone? Did you understand how to configure source? It's very easy, guys. Just selecting. That's it. There is nothing difficult, please. There is nothing difficult here. Everyone, are you clear? It will take some time. So please wait till it comes. Please wait till it comes. Yes, please. Understanding? Are you clear? Just hold on. Sometimes based on your network connection, your Informatica will slow. So just hold on. It will save. Okay, just hold on, guys. Yeah. Now save. Don't forget to save, please. Now source locations is configured. Our source table locations is configured. Same way. Now see, we have general, that is source table name. Source, we have connection, source connection, which we created in administrator. Source type, single object, and we have query options. We have advanced. I will show you that later. Now, if you see the fields in the left side, whatever the source table fields you can see here. In the source table, we have fields, correct? If you give DSC locations, we have the source table name, source table columns. Okay, if you give DSC locations, these are the columns we have, correct? Everyone, these are the columns we have. 1 second. The same columns that you can see here. Are you seeing the columns? Location ID. These are the table columns. Partitions is not required as of now. You can see. Now you can preview the data. Of source data you can preview. Click on preview. Click run preview. Mapping changes will be saved. Do you want to continue? Yes. If you wanted to preview, you can preview the data. See now, it will show. So you can preview that later. I'll show you. This preview I can show you later. As of now, this is how you can configure the source. Now click on target. When you click on target, target properties will show. When you click on target, target properties will show. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Guys, please reply, everyone. Okay. Now click on target. What is the target table name? Change the name of your transformation. What is your target table name? TGT location dim. Same general name, TGT location dim. Now target table name also changed. Same way, once it is done, now you need to configure the target table. How? Click on target at down. So these are all when you click on source properties will show. When you click on target, you can drag this window up and down, or you can maximize and minimize also. Okay. Click on target. Now click on this target, this icon. In the left side down, click on target again. Now same again, connection. The same, you can see the target connection now. You need to select the target connection. Now what you need to do? Select your target connection. Select your target connection. Target type, single object. Target type, again, my target is only one single object. Now select your object, click on select. When you click on select, it will show the tables available in the schema. In my target schema, only one table available, correct? In my target schema, only one table available. The same one you select it, click on OK. Click on OK. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear how to configure source and target schemas? How to configure source and target schemas? Clear about it? So now save. Don't forget to save, please. Save. Save is very important. If you close directly, you need to do again. Now, so source is over, target is over. If you see, these are target fields, target table columns. Whatever the columns we created here in the target, the same columns you can see here, location ID. So we have, you can see location ID, address, postal code, city, state, province, country ID, you can see. Now, we need to achieve this. Location is greater than 5 and location is less than 10. We need to do by filter transformation. So what to do? You need to create a filter transformation. How to create? In the left side, scroll down. This is alphabetical order. You can see source and target only. We have first. Later it will be alphabetical order. A, D, E, F. Drag this filter to here. Drag this filter transformation to here. Understanding? Just drag. If you want to delete, click this delete button. Click the delete button and you can connect it like this. Okay. If you want it, you can connect it like this. Now you want filter, drag this filter to here. So now filter transformation has come. Click on filter. So here again, these are filter properties. In the filter, click on the general means filter name you can change. If you want, you can change filter name. FIL underscore. What is the column name? The column name we are filtering are location ID. You can give FIL underscore location ID. FIL underscore location ID. This is filter transformation name. This is just name. You can give your name, my name, any name, but the naming convention is FIL underscore location ID. But you need to give the condition. How to give the condition? Click on filter. In the downside, properties filter. In the filter, we have three options: simple, advanced, completely parameterized. So you can do simple. Simple means just click on simple. Okay, if you want simple condition, how to do it, please see. Come to filter, simple, click on this plus. When you click on plus, it will show field name. What is the field name? Location is greater than 5. So select location ID, operator greater than, value 5. And means it will automatically take and. Then location is less than 10. Click on plus, location ID less than 10. Like this you can give. This is simple filter condition. But in real time, we will never use this. What you can do, you can delete it. Go to advanced. Go to advanced. When you go to advanced, here it is showing define filter condition. Click on it. A window will open like this. Here you can write, here you can either write it, location ID, or you can add it. When you just scroll this mouse to here, it will show add, location ID is greater than 5, space, and location ID is less than 10. Validate. Validate and click on OK. Validate and click on OK. Click on OK and then save. And then save. Understanding, everyone? How to create the filter condition? Did you understand how to create the filter condition? Everyone, guys? So I configure the source, I configure the target, I configure the filter. Click on filter, go to downside filter and click on advanced here, edit filter condition, then give it and validate. If you don't give properly, it will give error. See, it will give error. Okay. So give the proper condition. Location is greater than 5, space, and space. Location is less than 10. Validate. Click on OK. Save. Always save. If you don't save, If you don't save, it will be like this. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Are you clear, everyone? Any doubts, guys? Yes, guys. Clear? Okay. Now, if you see, we configure the source, we configure the target, we configure the filter. Still the mapping is invalid. When you click on validate here, or if you don't click also, the mapping is still valid. Why? Because we need to do one last step. In PowerCenter, we will drag source to filter, filter to target. But here, see guys, see, there are columns in source. When you click on locations, the columns are these, fields are source columns. When you drag like this, all these columns to come to filter. Click on filter. Now incoming fields. Where these are coming? The columns coming from source to filter. The columns coming from source to filter. Correct? When you drag this connection to here, whatever the columns in location, all will come to filter. Correct? Is that right, guys? For example, if you just create a filter, for example, I created one more filter. If you see the incoming fields of this filter, there are nothing is there, correct? For this filter, do we see any incoming fields? No, because it is not connected to anything. I'm deleting it. But when you connect source to filter, whatever the columns in source, all columns will come to filter. That is why these are the incoming fields from the source. Correct? These are the incoming fields from the source origin. Whatever the columns, all columns will come automatically. Now, same way, when you drag filter to target, same way, all the columns come from filter to target, but target also having some columns. Correct? See, there are two things in target. In source, we have only fields. In filter, we have only incoming fields. Why is in source we have only fields? Because this is the starting point. It is having how many columns? 6 columns. Means fields. When I drag to filter, all these 6 columns come to filter. Incoming fields are 6. Now target, there are fields. Suppose for example, I am not connecting this. But target is having some columns, correct? Target is having some columns. Target alone having some columns, yes or no, please? These we will understand in the later sessions clearly. I'm telling some example, that's it. Target, if you connect or don't connect, it is having some columns. But when you connect from filter to target, whatever the columns in filter, it will come to target also. Now, you need to match filter and target columns by field mapping. The last step you need to do is field mapping. So, these are the fields coming from filter. These are the fields in target. You need to map them. This is the last step. How to map? There are multiple ways to map. Here there are multiple map. One is auto map, exact field name. You can or smart map. When you click on smart map, it will automatically mapped. Okay? It will automatically map all or exact field name. Also you can do it. Normally we'll use smart map. Or if you don't want, see, you can drag. I'm undoing it. I can clear them, clear mapping. You can, what you can do, drag it. Location ID to location ID, address to address, postal code to postal code, city to city, state to state, country ID to country ID. Where we need to do this step? Click on target, come to field mapping. Click on target, come to field mapping. Okay? Here it will, usually when you come to field mapping, it will show like this. Mapping field should be empty. If the mapping field is empty, when you validate the mapping, it will show error. You see? What is error? Field mapping must contain at least one mapping field. Field mapping must contain at least one mapping field. Understanding, guys? Are you clear? Everyone? Are you clear, guys? So, see, we have 6 fields. You can drag it like this. If you have 6 fields, 10 fields, you can drag it. But if you have more fields, then dragging is different. So, just click on Smart Map. When you Smart Map, it will automatically check the names and location ID to location ID, address to address, postal code to postal code, then city to city, state to state, and then save. And then save. When you save, now the mapping will be valid. Now see, is the mapping is validated? This green right mark should come. Until then, you cannot run the mapping. Until then, you can validate it if you want. Now it will validate. Mapping is valid. Are you clear, guys? Did you understand how to configure the source? How to configure the target? How to do the field mapping? Did you understand? So what are the steps? What are the steps? What are the steps involved? Create a mapping under folder which we created. Okay. Then change the mapping name. How you are validating? It will automatically, when you click on save, it will automatically validate, or you can click on this symbol, validation symbol. When you click on save, it will automatically validate. If you want to validate manually, you can click on this symbol, this right mark symbol. Are you clear, guys? So, what are the steps involved in now? I am writing the step. Configure the source and target, then create a filter, then create a filter transformation. That means drag the filter transformation, drag the filter transformation, drag the filter transformation into mapping canvas in between source and target, okay. Then in the filter transformation, select advanced filter, and give the filter condition, based on the mapping document. Then save. After that, go to select the target under the properties window. Select the target under the properties window. Select field mapping. Then select smart map. Understanding? These are the steps. Okay, I'm giving ABCDs for the steps. A, okay, create a mapping, then change the mapping name, then configure the source and target, okay. So I'm giving the then see, drag the filter, then in the filter you give this, then E, save, then F, you do this. Okay, at last save and check whether mapping is valid or not. Save and check. Okay, save and check whether mapping is involved, whether mapping is valid or not. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. This is about mapping is completed. Now I want to ask you some question. Please tell me. In Informatica PowerCenter, if you have Informatica PowerCenter, tell me Informatica PowerCenter. We have mapping, we have session task. We will create session task, correct? We will create workflow. Is it right, guys? In Informatica PowerCenter, we will create a mapping, we will create a session task, we will create workflow. Can I run mapping alone? Without session and workflow, can I run mapping alone? No, the answer is no. So I have mapping and I have session. Can I run session alone without workflow? Can I run session alone without workflow? I did not create a workflow. I have only mapping and session task. That's it. I have only mapping and session task. That's it. I don't have workflow. Can we run? No, you cannot run. You cannot run. Now you need to run workflow only. Correct? You cannot run workflow. Run, yes. So in PowerCenter, how it will work? In PC. This is PC, okay? This is Informatica PC. So this is mapping, this is mapping. This is Informatica mapping. First, we will create Informatica mapping in the mapping designer, correct? First, we will create Informatica mapping. Yes or no? This is Informatica mapping. Once we create Informatica mapping, this is Informatica PowerCenter, guys. If you know Informatica PowerCenter, then you will relate my words, okay? Whatever I'm doing it, okay? This is Informatica PowerCenter. Now, on this top of mapping, we will create a session, correct? On top of the mapping, we will create a session task, correct? Yes or no? We'll create a session task. Is that right? Are you able to understand by my picture? Session task. Then we'll create a workflow, correct? Then we'll create a workflow, correct? And we will link to the session. Yes or no, please? We will link to the session. Is that right? This is workflow. Related, guys? Are you able to relate? My picturization is correct? This is workflow. Now, when you run the workflow will trigger the session. Session will trigger the mapping, correct? Is that right, guys? In the mapping, we have source and target, correct? In the mapping, we have source and target. Yes or no, guys? Everyone, please reply. This is source and target and filter transformation. Then we have like this in the mapping, correct? First, we create a mapping, then we create a session, then we create a workflow. That is the correct? Yes, guys. You can create a, first we can see the order is like this. The order is like this. First mapping we will create. Then we can create session. Then we can create workflow. There is one more order in PowerCenter. First we can create mapping. Then we can create workflow. Then we can create session. Maybe you learned this. Both will work. Both will work. Ultimately, first is mapping only. Without mapping, you cannot do anything. First, we will create mapping, session, workflow, or mapping, workflow, session. Both are same. Are you clear, guys? This is how Informatica PowerCenter will work. This is how Informatica PowerCenter will work. But in IICS, this is Informatica PowerCenter. Now, in IICS, we will call mapping as mapping only. In PC, we will create mapping. In IICS also, we will call it as mapping only. Okay. Session task. Here we will call it as MCT, mapping task. Or we will tell mapping configuration task. We will call it as mapping configuration task. Workflow, we will call it as task flow. These are the names in IICS, new names. Now, this is in PowerCenter, you cannot run a mapping, you cannot run a session, but you cannot run a workflow. But in IICS, we can run mapping alone, yes. We can run task flow alone, yes. We can run MCT, we can, yes. Directly, we can run the mapping. See here, there is run option here. Directly, we can run the mapping. Are you seeing the run up in the mapping? I just created a mapping. You can directly run and load the data to source and target. From source to target, you can directly run. Are you clear? But we will not use this option. Why? Because in mapping, we have less features available. In mapping configuration task, we have many features available. Now, once we create a mapping, for every mapping, we need to, for every mapping, we need to create a session task in PowerCenter, in IICS. For every mapping, we need to create a mapping configuration task or mapping task. Okay? Types of task I'll tell you later. How to create a mapping task. For example, mapping is closed. I closed the mappings. How to open? I closed the mapping. How to open? Go to explore. Go to explore. Maybe here it is like this. Go to explore, just hold on. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp to 8105. Go to explore, then go to your project folder, go to your batch. Go to your batch folder, then open the mapping. So it will open. Double click, it will open. It will open. So just hold on 5 to 10 minutes, we'll complete it. Hold on 5 to 10 minutes, we will complete it. Done, almost done. The session is almost done. Okay. So now how to create a mapping task? Click on new again. Now here tasks. When you click on here, we have many tasks. We have mapping task, synchronization task, masking task, replication task, PowerCenter task, data transformation task. The first one, I will cover all these things. I will cover all the options. Don't worry. But in PowerCenter, we have session task, email task, command task, event wait task, event raise task. Then what else we have? Assignment task, decision task. Then what else? Event raise task, event wait task. Also, we have all this here. Apart from that, we have mapping task, synchronization task, data task, okay, PowerCenter task, masking task. So now which one I need to select? Mapping task, create. Now see here, a new window has opened up down. This is mapping. This is mapping task. Give the name as MCT underscore. The naming convention is MCT underscore M underscore location TGT dim. Location TGT dim or TGT location dim. MCT underscore mapping name. MCT underscore mapping name. Runtime environment is very important. I'll tell later what is runtime environment. Click on this. Now the mapping, select. We have created one mapping already. Select that mapping. Select. If you select it, at down, it will show the mapping. Whatever the mapping we created, at down, it will show the mapping. Then click on next. Here we can schedule it. There are many options in mapping configuration task. Why we cannot run mapping? Because all these options we don't have available. We can schedule the mapping. We can email notifications. We have advanced options, pre-process commands, post-process commands. Then we have parameter file location, then execution mode, ELT optimization, and we have many other options available. That is why we need to create always mapping configuration task. Why can't we run alone mapping? Because these options are not available in the mapping. These options are available in mapping configuration task. Then click on it. Just once you give the mapping name, mapping configuration task name, and the runtime environment, and the mapping name you select, click on next, and then save. Click on next, and then save. Then run. Once you're done, then run. Okay, what to do? Run. Once you run, it is showing, what it is showing? Started MCTM TGT location dim, view in my jobs. Either you go to my jobs here or click on my jobs. In the data integration, you can go to my jobs. It is running. Or there is one more way, go to monitor. This is Informatica monitor. See, you can see here also or here also. In the monitor, you can click on this instance name and you can see here. You can see the statistics here. The statistics are like this. If you see the task name, the mapping and the started by, source success rows is 40, error rows are 0. You can download the session log. You can click on download session log, it will download. And the source are 23. You can download it, the session log. TGT location affected rows 4. So 4 rows loaded to target. You can check in the database, 4 rows loaded to target. See, location is greater than 5, location is less than 10. Did you understand, guys? Everyone, are you clear, guys? Are you clear?
So this is how Informatica will work, guys. So tomorrow is the next session. Both morning and evening will be there. So you can join any session. Okay. So please. So meanwhile, so please watch. It's already time up. It's almost 9:30. So people are hungry. So if you want to join, please WhatsApp on 8105296858. This is our WhatsApp number. This is our WhatsApp number. Okay. So if you wanted to pay and join, you please contact this number. Today there is a special offer going on. If you join today, the course fee is 17,000. If you join today, 16,000. Please provide your phone numbers. This is the last offer we are giving. From tomorrow, there is no public session. From tomorrow, you need to join from website. My team will guide you. If you already joined, my team will individually WhatsApp you. They will create a community. They will add you to the community, and they will guide you what to do from tomorrow. They will tell you the timings and all. They will guide you in the community. So please provide the phone numbers if you did not given. Please provide the phone numbers if you did not given. Guys, I'll upload in the G Drive. I'll send you the tomorrow morning link also. So please. I was on mute. So please, today is the offer. Okay. So please, if you wanted to avail the offer, please WhatsApp to these numbers. So please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. So we have combo offer going on. If you want to join PowerCenter and IICS, you can join IICS or PowerCenter, anything. Okay, both you can join. So today there is an offer going on, that is 16,000. Today is the last day for offer. Tomorrow there is no public session. You need to join from website. My team will guide you. Okay. So please provide your phone numbers if you did not given. Any doubts meanwhile? So did you like my session, guys? Everyone, please reply. Did you like my sessions? Everyone, did you like my sessions? Yes, guys. Any doubts meanwhile? Any doubts meanwhile? So if services are down, please restart. If services are down, please restart. If you're still down, then please WhatsApp us. If they are still down, please WhatsApp us. If they are still down, please WhatsApp us. Yes, guys. So please provide your WhatsApp numbers if you did not given. Yeah, today's session I'll upload in YouTube. Today's session I'll upload in YouTube. Yes, please, from tomorrow, there will be no YouTube sessions. Okay. There will be no public sessions. Clear, guys? Any doubts meanwhile? I hope you understand clearly today. So before winding up, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So please, this is my YouTube channel. I'll send the DDL and DML link. I'll upload in the G drive and I will upload you. I'll please WhatsApp us. I'll send you each and everyone. So the entire material I'll send you. Please WhatsApp us. I'll send this entire material. Okay, the full material I'll send you. You no need to worry. Okay. So meanwhile, please, we have a website, Raj Informatica. So please browse this website for more interview questions. Okay. Yeah, daily sessions will be there in this week. Yes, guys. So please, you can see the PowerCenter materials, IICS, Unix, Oracle, Data Warehouse, and we have different interview questions, PowerCenter, Snowflake, AWS, Oracle, IDMC. Okay, and you can see we have many courses available. The courses available are cybersecurity, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and then Azure, Databricks and data engineering, then AWS DevOps. Okay, then AWS DevOps. Yes, please. Yes, guys. Hold on. Yes, guys. AWS DevOps, Snowflake, DB training, Power BI, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud IDMC, Python for training, Python for kids, and Python development training, Python for AI, Tableau. These are the courses available. So please keep browsing for our offers or whatever the courses. Okay. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. So I'm sending you the link of my YouTube channel to everyone. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. So this is a YouTube channel. Yes, guys. In this YouTube channel, we have different videos available, different interview questions available, different good material available. So please subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks for joining.